Okay, video vlog check. We are back again for another unboxing video. This time going to feature the Huawei Y7 smartphone from Huawei Philippines. Hindi ko pa ito na-unbox, but naririnig ko na ang features netong smartphone na to. It's a mid-range level na smartphone. Ang pagkakala ko na sa 5,000 plus yung SRP nito. So ano ba ang specs netong phone? Let's discuss ko muna sa inyo para malaman nyo. At after that, mag-unbox na tayo. So, Huawei Y7 na 2019 na edition, meron siyang 6.26 inches na display. LCD type siya. Ang kanyang CPU ay Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 octa-core processor na 1.8 GHz. Ang kanyang GPU ay Adreno 506. Ang kanyang operating system is based on Android 8.1, yung EMUI 8.2. 8.2. Di pa umabot ng 10. Memory niya is 4GB at kanyang storage ay 64GB. Pero meron siyang micro SD card na pwedeng mag-expand up to 512GB. Sa kanyang camera, rear camera niya is 13 megapixel, tsaka meron 2 megapixel. It's a dual camera. Yung 13 megapixel is 1.8 aperture, yung 2 megapixel naman ay 2.4 aperture. Yung kanyang front camera ay 8 megapixel na may 2.0 aperture. Battery specs niya is 4,000 mAh. Tapos I'm sure micro USB 2.0, tapos meron siyang 3.5mm ear jack. So let's unbox this para makita natin yung ganda ng Huawei Y7. Mid-range phone, perfect for multitasking, mga programs for social media, photography, vlogging, gaming. Kayang-kaya kasi gagawa tayo ng maraming test with the Huawei Y7. So let's go, let's do this, let's unbox this now. Ang ganda ng kulay niya. Ganda ng kulay. It's a pagka pinkish or purplish na color. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba guys? So inside the box, let's check it out, y'all. Meron siyang SIM card tray pin. Meron din siyang jelly casing. Jelly case. Manuals. Uy, laki na. Ang laki ng charger. Ba't ganito to? Ang laki ng charger. Ba't ganun? And here's the cable. At least meron siyang micro USB. At final is the earphones. Yan. So basically ito yung mga laman ng box ng Huawei Y7. Yung smartphone niya unit, yung jelly case niya, may manual, merong SIM tray pin, may malaking power charger na I think pwede to sa for overseas. I think this is for like Australia and Malaysia, and micro USB cable at saka earphone. So ito na, unbox na natin, and all we need to do is power this up at i-test na natin yung smartphone na to. But first, meron silang ditong parang transparent na sticker which we can remove it later on pag talagang power up na tong ating Huawei Y7. So let's set up na natin siya and let's check it out, y'all. Walang hangin eh. So kabitan natin yung casing para at least may protection siya. So power up na natin to. So start up na. Ito yung P30, no? Almost, mas malaki siya sa P30. The left side is the P30. Ito, P30 yan. Ito yung Y7. Mas malaki siya. So okay, English. Details, yes, I've read. Next. Insert SIM card. Skip tayo kasi wala naman tayong SIM card pang ilalagay. So this is our Wi-Fi. So connect na tayo sa Wi-Fi dito sa bahay namin. And Wi-Fi is now connected. Next tayo. Checking for updates. Just a second. Alright, checking information. And this is the part that I will enter my Google email. So lagay ko na yung Google email. Backup daw kay Google. No, I'm not doing a backup with the Google Drive. Okay, diagnostic. Yun lang naman ang ayoko mag-backup kasi I like to do it manually. Ayoko ng automatic. Okay. Napansin ko, no, powered pa rin siya ni Google. So hindi siya yung new smartphones ni Huawei na naka Huawei App Store, no? Yung Huawei App Gallery. So ito, confident ako na meron tong Google Play. Google ID, later na lang. Later, alright. Files. I don't want to use the cloud, sorry. I'm not a fan of cloud sa phone, but I want to do it manually. So set tayo ng fingerprint. Here's the fingerprint scan. So to unlock, enable natin. But first, we need to set a pin. So gawa tayo ng pin code. So okay na. Let's do the fingerprint for security. Sa likod kasi niya yung fingerprint. So pindot-pindot tayo. Okay, successfully enrolled. Okay, face unlock. Okay, mag-face unlock muna ako. Continue, agree. So face unlock. Ito ko. So lalapit ko na muna yung mukha ko. Op! Nakuha na ba yung mukha ko? Oh my god. Yeah, I think so. Okay. Continue, software up to date. Walang problema. Go lang ng go. Ayan na. It is now powering up and they are suggesting to download the popular app. So maybe later na lang. Alright, finish na. No data import. No, I don't want it. Gusto ko manual. And here you go. This is the Huawei Y7. Oy, may tumunog na. May notification pa. At confirmed, mayroong Play Store. So I think we can download more games later, no? So subukan natin yan. So kailangan ko muna mag-update para makapag-install tayo ng mga application. So that's it guys for our Huawei Y7 smartphone unboxing. So that's it guys. This is the Huawei Y7. Another adventure tayo with Huawei Philippines. We're going to test this. Use this for social media, photography, vlogging, gaming, and a lot of tests. So yun, around 5,000 plus lang naman to sa internet. You can buy it sa Huawei store, sa Lazada and Shopee and other partner store nila online. So yun, so tapos na tayo and I'm very excited to try this. Talagang pag may bago tayong concept, talagang dalagan ko tayo gumawa. So yun, thank you guys for watching. So don't you forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you at the next video vlog adventure. Yeah, powered by Huawei.